So your car is running rough, that check engine light is staring you down, and your scanner just spit out a P0010 code. You are probably wondering if your engine is about to blow up or if this is something you can tackle yourself. Let me tell you, this is actually a pretty common issue, specifically dealing with your variable valve timing system. This code is generic, which means whether you drive a Toyota, Ford, Chevy, or Hyundai, the basic principle is exactly the same. The code specifically points to the camshaft position actuator circuit on bank 1. Now, do not let that technical jargon scare you. Bank 1 just refers to the side of your engine that houses the number 1 cylinder. If you have a 4-cylinder engine, well, you only have one bank, so that is easy. The core of this problem lies in the VVT or VCT system. This is the technology that helps your car get better gas mileage when you are cruising and more power when you stomp on the gas. It does this by adjusting when the valves open and close using oil pressure. The star of this show is the oil control valve, often called the OCV or solenoid valve. When you get this P0010 code, your car's computer, the PCM, is basically saying that the voltage in that specific circuit has dropped below a certain limit for too long. It's like the computer tried to make a phone call to the valve, but the line was dead. You might notice your engine idling roughly, lacking power, or just feeling a bit off. The causes are usually pretty straightforward. It's often just a failed oil control valve that has gotten stuck or burned out. Sometimes it's the wiring leading to it. Maybe a wire got pinched or a connector is loose. In rare cases, it could be the computer itself, but do not jump to that conclusion yet. Here's what you should do. First, pop the hood and locate that bank 1 actuator. Check the wiring carefully. Are there breaks? Is the connector clicked in tight? If that looks good, the next step for a DIY mechanic is to test the oil control valve itself with a multimeter. Or honestly, since they are relatively cheap parts, many people just swap it out to see if the code clears. Just remember, dirty oil is a huge killer of these valves, so if you're overdue for an oil change, get that done immediately. It is the lifeblood of this system.